Jamming that little baby. What's going on, guys? Today we're going to do some black hat link building. Only the best of the best, you know what I'm saying? We got a DA-59 today, and we have a DA-71.org backlink, right? Both are do follow. And so you're gonna want to go over to payloadswiththez.com. You're gonna land on a page like this, right? And once you land on this page, you're gonna want to go over to create an account. And once you're here, go ahead and sign up. Just put in your information real quick. Email, password, confirm. And you don't have to confirm your email, by the way. Wow, that email already exists. So let's do this one. Once you have pressed continue, you're going to land on a page that it's telling you to make a purchase with PayPal, but just go ahead and close out of it. You're gonna land on this page and you're gonna want to go to the left side and click create a new product to sell. Now you can only create one of these, so I'm not sure if it'll let me because I just created this, but let me try. Okay, so you are going to land on a page like this, right? And you're gonna put the item name, the price, just choose a category, a subcategory. You're gonna put your link and your piece of content right here. So I already have some, so just put, you can just paste it in there and just make sure you have your backlink with the anchor text that you want. It's very simple to do, and then just go ahead and click submit product information. Like I said, I already have one. Let me see if it'll let me just for this video. Let's do submit price. Go to submit, and then you can add a file if you want, but I just skipped that. And then you can also put your URL right here. Update. Let me move myself up there. All right, and then to see your backlink, click on the payloads store listing. It's gonna take you to your actual listing, right? So this is what it looks like. SEO Dallas, and then it has your piece of content right here with your nice little do follow backlink. And let's go to our handy dandy Moz bar. As you can see, DA-59, 1% spam score. Let's go over to our link checker, do follow, and boom, there you go. Do follow backlink, DA-59. Super simple, right? Now I believe you can only do one of these without having to pay, so make sure you do your preferred anchor text your first time. So that's the first link, guys, and if you've watched this far, make sure you leave me a like for these videos. If you like these step-by-step black hat link building tutorials, please leave me a comment below, and I'll be more than gladly to keep making these videos for my SEO fam. I really just enjoy helping as many people as I can, right? And hit that subscribe button. It will help me out to continue making these videos, right? I just want to help as many people as I can, because it took me a while to understand, how to find these backlinks and how to build them the correct way. So it will really help me out, and I appreciate all the support that I've gotten. I'm really grateful for the support. So let's get into the second link of the night. Alrighty, guys, so the next website is study.mdanderson.org. Yes, a .org website. A71, another 1% spam score. So I don't want none of you hating people talking about, oh, this is a spam website, right? 1% just for you guys. So let's get into it. Once you created an account, you are going to need to use a social media account, I believe. So like a Twitter, LinkedIn, something like that. Once you signed up, you don't have to verify your email. You're gonna land on a page like this. Go over to account, go to ePortfolios. Click create an ePortfolio, name it. Very important, make sure you click make it public. And then you're going to click make ePortfolio. Pretty simple, right? Since I already created one, let me go ahead and show you what mine's looks like. So if I press edit page, let me just go ahead and copy, paste my content into here. You can see this is where you would include your backlink, right? My backlink is right here, Dallas SEO Consultant. Once you include your content with your backlink, save page, and boom, here we go, our own do follow backlink. Let's go to the link checker. You already know what it is, SEO fam. Do follow backlink, DA-71. It don't get any better than that. Best of all, you can do as many of these pages as you want, right? Now, don't go out spamming the shit out of it, you know. Leave some link juice for the next SEO, but make sure you click your best anchor text for whatever keyword you want to target. And happy link building, SEOs. I hope you guys learned something from these 2 free do follow backlinks. Very powerful. One of them is a .org. And again, guys, if you like these videos and you want to see more of these, I'll be glad to continue sharing some of my tips, SEO, link building, local SEO, hot page SEO. I really just want to help as many people as I can. So leave me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for more of these videos. I'm just getting started, guys. So I hope you guys learned something new, and I'll see you in the next one.